Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, the things I like to do are unbox things. I like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food around the world. Today I have for you a Rocksbox review, my latest Rocksbox review. But before I get into that, I would like to talk about an upcoming giveaway. I will be giving away the Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette. And you know, the giveaway rules are gonna be really simple. I'm not gonna make you jump through hoops to enter. You'll just have to be subscribed to my channel. You will, when I actually post that video, you'll need to like and comment on that video. And that's it. That video will go up sometime this week. And I'll have more details on that giveaway when I post the video. So, to get into my Rocksbox review, and I'll put pictures up to remind you what the pieces were, but the first piece was by Slate, and it was the Jag Cuff in gold. The retail price was $55 and the member price was $46. I mean, it was just okay. It wasn't my cup of tea. I sent it back. It felt like a sturdy piece. I don't know, I guess it just wasn't really my style. So, you know, no big deal. The next piece was by Dusk, and it was the Bay Ring in Rondite. The retail price was $60 and the price to me would have been $51. This again was just not my style. It was too dainty for me. It wasn't my thing. And not to mention the stones in it, they were so pale that it just kind of blended into my skin. So, oh wow. The next piece was the Ava Rose Aurora necklace in crushed pearl. The retail price was $125 and the cost to me would have been $106. Now, I love this necklace. It was really pretty. I even wore it out on date night, last Friday night. And you can see that on me if you want to go back and watch the opening of the Rocksbox. But I just couldn't justify the price of $106. I don't know. I think I'm just more, if I'm going to pay a lot of money for a piece, then I want it to be a real piece, I guess. I mean, I will drop $800 on a string of pearls in an instant. Not a problem, but for some reason I just can't get past $106 for a piece of costume jewelry. So I mean, it all went back. It is what it is. Again, there will be a playlist down below if you want to know more about this subscription service. It's a jewelry subscription service for $21 a month. It's a renting and buying service, but you know, that stuff will all be down below, so that way you can go back, because I do describe, or I do explain the service in more detail in other videos, mainly my first video on this, or even my second video on this. So I do want to throw a disclaimer in here real quick. Next month is my birthday month. I will be 43, and I will not be able to upload as much as I have been uploading, just because I take the whole month for my birthday. So I may have to upload multiple videos in a day or whatnot. And I just kind of want to throw this disclaimer in just to give you guys kind of a warning for next month. And that's all I have for you today. So have a great day. Bye.